We are living in the advanced society where technology is changing very fastly every single day, and artificial intelligence is replacing the human work. For example, nowadays patients are treated by the robots, driverless cars are running in the streets, and the products are now being delivered by the drones. So the jobs are in danger. So how you survive, how you protect yourself? It's not easy but possible. And the answer is unlock your true potential and become master. What is mastery? Mastery is the level where you achieve the highest position at your work, wherever you are working. Achieving the highest position is called the mastery. When you achieve mastery at anything, you cannot be replaced. So how you can achieve it? How you can develop it? Few people believe that mastery can only be achieved by only few people. But believe me, it's inside you. Mastery is within you. You have to just unlock your true potential. So the first step to achieve mastery is enjoy your work. Whatever the work you are doing, just start enjoying the work. For example, you are doing some coding, you are at sales, you are at anything, you are singing in sports, in music. Start enjoying your work. Or if you don't enjoy your work, then find your passion. What comes naturally to you? Observe the things that where you are good at and start doing the things. Second step is eliminate your ego. Because whenever we go and try to learn something, we accept that we already know these things. But when you go with this kind of attitude, no, you never learn. So go with the learning attitude. Eliminate all your egos. Learn from those people. Learn from your competitors. When you learn from it, then you never feel jealous. You actually motivate from their work. You think that if he can do it, I also can do it. So just observe the things that how they are doing and eliminate your ego. Third step is embrace the boredom. Because when you apply new things and when you comes out from the comfort zone, it is boring at starting. For example, when you cook the food for the first time, you may enjoy the first day of cooking, but after some time you feel bored, you get bored. But when you apply the ingredients, different ingredients, then only you become perfect at cooking. Just like that, accept the boredom. Whenever you feel bored, accept it, because you have to achieve the mastery. Fourth step is learn from masters. Whatever the skills you are learning, maybe some person who already achieved, apply those skills. Just observe from that person, experiment it, do it again and again. Observe, repeat it, and do experiment from your masters. In this way, you achieve any kind of mastery in your life. And the study also says that if you put 10,000 hours in any skills, you can learn it. You will become master at it. After achieving mastery, don't overreact. Take it lightly and challenge yourself every single day to achieve extraordinary in your life. So, this is the book summary of The Mastery by Robert Greene. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, then like it. Comment below that what is the skill that you want to become master at it, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.